Now let us say instead of extracting column, you want to extract rows from a data set. So for example, here we are extracting rows 3 to 7 from the referrer column. Here we are extracting rows for all the columns starting from the 5th row up to the 14th row, right? And if you want to extract the last row, you can use the n function, right? So let us go to RStudio, and here we'll try to extract rows, right? We'll use the slice function, the name of the data set, which is econ, and let us say we want to extract the rows from 3 to 8, right? So here you can see 5 rows starting from the 3rd row up to the 8th row, and if I want the last row, I can just use the n function and I can see the last row of the data set.